Hey Rachel, so it's Sammy. I can't believe it's been 3 years since you've passed. It's crazy to think that we're here going through senior year and that you should be here. I think about you every day and I talk to you almost every day, hoping that somehow, some way you're hearing it. I remember times of just like pure joy and laughter, especially in times that maybe not necessarily we should have been doing it, such as when we were always told to run sprints after messing up in practice or after a bad game, and we would like line up to do the sprints, and one of us would just make like a ridiculous joke, and we would just be laughing while we're sprinting down the field, and it would always just irritate our coach. But no matter what situation we were in, we always had fun together. I miss those times. I miss hearing your laugh, your voice. I miss those carefree times where we could just do anything and everything and it would still be fun. I hope that you're proud of us. I hope that you're looking down and see everything that we're doing to honor you. I know that you're with us every step of the way, and I can't think of a better guardian angel to have been by my side during these past few years. Thank you for everything you've done from the other side. And I truly, truly miss you, and I wish with everything I had that you could still be here with us today. We love you, Rachel. Keep looking down on us. Miss you.